Oh, buddy. This will be my first look. Haven't even opened it beforehand. Man. Let's take a minute on this box, though. If you guys are paying attention, you already know. Passport pack. The Unions. Sidney Poitier. Even though he wasn't French. He's black. But, man. You know, these new style dunks, I want a half size down, 11.5, because these new style dunks, they be fitting pretty big compared to the old school dunks when I was wearing all through college. Now it's a different fit now. So this is my first Union collab shoe. I know they're quite hype, but I usually think most of their shit, well, pretty much all their shit's pretty ugly. But this particular pair, your boy had to get. Cool little passport paper. Nice, nice. Ooh, almost there. What we got? What we got? Oh, them Argon, boy. Oh my God. Jeez, look at. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Butter boy. Butter boy. Oh, wow. This hot fire. Dylon Cert. Broke out the little black light. Certified official StockX. You gotta look for that X. Get the focus here. There you go. See that X in there? Hit it with that black light. Make sure. But even StockX makes mistakes sometimes, you know, so gotta check your shit, watch some videos and see what to check on a particular shoe. But they looking clean, Never know these days. Man, this boys is hot. Another one. Man. It's gonna be a fire summer. So again, Nike Dunk, Union Passport Pack, the Argons. And of course, I will not be deconstructing these, ripping stuff off to reveal the undercolors here. But the undercolor over here is a royal blue, obviously to match these laces, but I think these things are clean as is. Man. I needed a casual little low baby blue. You can't always, you know, do the highs. I'm UNC, but man. Boy, this is hot. About to go straight on the feet. Let's check out the inside. Yeah, this is real nice on the inside too. Real soft. That premium feel. Union logo. Sidney Poitier representing. Union tag. Yeah, Union with the weird stuff. Strings just hanging. I don't know. It's that young boy shit, but whatever. Fucks with it. Man, it's clean. Passport tag. Yeah, let's throw these on. Well, damn. Love the look. But these fucking new age dunks. And the design of them, dude. They fit way bigger than the dunks that I'm used to. Although those were a long time ago, but even from all the Jordans. Jordan 1 lows, Jordan 1 highs. These things fit way bigger. I want a half size down, and these still fit pretty damn big. Like, I'm going to have to tighten these laces even more so than this, for them to just not, like, fly off when I'm walking. Not running, but walking. So, yeah. Look good. hella clean. But, yeah, these bad boys fit big. I don't think it's because of the Union collapse. All right, finally got these things laced up enough to where they're not falling off the heels when I'm walking in them. Because Dunks fit very fucking big. And don't fit like SBs. I don't know why there isn't more YouTube videos out there saying that. Nobody mentioned that shit in any of the reviews that I've been watching. But yeah, I'd say size a full size down. If you don't want to have them all super tight. Like, fuck. But anyways. Shoe's still fire though. Yeah. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. Cool little grid pattern. Splash with the orange. Nice. All right, after 20 damn minutes of fucking with these laces and getting to a space where they're a little more loose, but still run fairly big. Not totally falling off as I walk, but still good enough. But yeah, man, these are hot. Hot fire. Dylon, Dylon, Dylon. Give it a 360 in the hole. Ooh, boy. It's gonna be a fire summer shoe. Guess I'm gonna have to invest in a few white socks, since I literally have none. Good shit. All right, all right. Final look. Nike Dunk Union Passport Argon. Summer shoe of 2022. Baby blue in the hose. Sidney Poitier. I don't know why I always say his name with a French accent. The brother ain't French. Montana. Man, these hoses is nice, bro. Real nice. I wonder how they got this thing in here. Huh. Shoe crafting. Sick with it.